morning, everybody. The Cartagenian flag on the wind. It's less than 8 in the morning. The fishermen are here. So today's goal is to go to Bocagrande, the replicant of Miami City. You will see. You know, this way I'm heading to Bocagrande. On the right side is the ocean. On the left side is Muralla, the fortress of colonial time. But later on I will get in and I will shoot the old city. But right now I'm heading to Bocagrande, which is, they say, most beautiful, most modern part. So let's go. The famous Bocagrande. It's one semi-island, very tiny, very narrow. On one side is the ocean, the other side is a lagoon. And you can walk between the ocean and lagoon like in a few minutes. You will see. Right now I'm going there and I'm going to film it. Yeah, we are watching fishermen. They are typical net fishing. They are putting the net around circle over there. So they're coming to the shore, and with the two ropes on two sides, they are pulling the net on the beach. Where I grew up in Dalmatian coast, we call it bragania. That type of fishing, and it's very hard but very effective. This is the statue of Maria Mulata. It's a local bird. Look at him. It's on the branch over there. That's the bird, and here is a statue for that bird. Maria Mulata, it's very common to see on the coastal area of Colombia. Yeah, Maria Mulata. This one is a male because it's black. The female is like a gray. Cartagena, the Indias. Plaza Bocagrande. Yeah. We are inside of Bocagrande, the richest part of Cartagena, and on all videos and all, the postcards and everything, you will see always this part. This is the most beautiful part, most modern part. You can see the buildings. You get the feeling like you're in Miami or some bigger city in the United States, or in Panama City. It's very similar, but this is not the real face of Cartagena. This is one part, beautiful part. But if you go a little bit inside, on the other side of the hill, on the southern part, you will see a totally different story. You will see like barrios complejos, the neighborhoods, very, very different, I can say. The poor people living, and it's totally different story. But let's check this first. Yesterday, first night, I slept in one of those neighborhoods. Right now I'm walking around here. Walking through the shadows of those huge buildings around hotels and everything, it's very pleasant. The temperature is different. The rich world is always more pleasant. And in this kind of places, it's always the same. You can see the rich people are enjoying in the spas, pools, beaches and stuff like that. And the poor people, they are working for them. And the poor people apparently are very dangerous sometimes, because they will attack you, try to rob you and stuff like that. And always the tension is always on them, which is not correct, because I'm asking you, who is more dangerous? Poor person, desperate to do something directly, attacking you, try to steal from you, or the rich people, they live in the shadows and they're working from the shadows? It's a simple question. Who is more dangerous? You see, over there is a sea, and over there is a lagoon. So from the sea and lagoon is only a couple of minutes of walking. That's what I'm talking about. It's Bocagrande. It's very narrow, very long, very skinny, slim part of the land with huge buildings. So I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna keep filming and put the speed mode that you not get bored. Yeah, we are here. This is a lagoon. See, the Bocagrande goes over there. This is seawater as well. Don't you think this is seawater as well? But it's like a bay, huge bay. Nice. And we came from there. See, it's very narrow. The warship is over there, the cruise ship is over there, the building is on the edge of the water, everywhere. It's very similar to Miami or some other, Dubai or Singapore or other coastal cities. Sometimes not on this channel, but on the other one, for the Balkan people, they always like to say, this is nothing, the Dalmatian coast is better. I love Dalmatian coast. I'm from there. I was born and raised there, and I love that piece of the land, piece of the sea and everything. But that's not a realistic story. If you are traveling everywhere, you will see a lot of beautiful places, more beautiful than Dalmatian coast, more beautiful than anything you ever seen. So the people, they are saying here is best, here is better, here is this and that. They didn't travel a lot, for sure. Okay, I'm gonna stop walking around because I can lost all day between those buildings. I will go and film a little bit one of the beaches of Bocagrande. Then I'm heading to the old city and the fortress. Stay tuned. Right now I'm in the middle of the Bocagrande. Over there you are going on the land. Over here is a beach and the ocean. Over here is a lagoon, and over there is a cape. So I'm in the middle. And sushi, Mr. Miyagi. I would like to try, but it's close. I'm a sushi lover. If you want to eat little and spend a lot of money, so you can eat on Bocagrande. See over there, mojarra frita. It's one type of the fish, fried, nothing special really, and it's not the sea fish. It's a shitty fish from the lakes and the rivers. Main meat. Here is like more than 10 euros. But if you go to the land, just a little bit from here, just a little bit from here, it's 25 or 20, the same dish. And that 25, it's even that is a little bit expensive for the Colombian standards, but it's a lot cheaper than here on Bocagrande. Everything here is very expensive. We are on one of the many beaches on Bocagrande. You can see it's similar like Miami, for example. And if you think I'm in Colombia, you know, bikini, beach, party, look in that, look in this. All women are beautiful. No, all women are normal. So far I saw one, which is very nice, with nice round butt, with, you know, good hips, beautiful body, beautiful face. But you know, you cannot see that very often on the beach in this time. But in the nighttime, the vampire is coming out, and in the nighttime, if you want to see a good-looking woman, go to the nighttime here. You will find everything. You know what is funny? When you are walking like this on the beaches, everybody will come to you, will approach you, and they try to sell something. Right now over there, one lady came and started touching me on my shoulders and she said like, mi amor, like my love, you need to relax, you have a lot of stress, I will give you massage and stuff like that. And I say, my Spanish is real good, my Colombian Spanish. I speak like a Colombian. I live here 8 years. So when I start talking Colombian, she was like, I'm not gonna sell this. But she was persuasive. She started, you know, touching my arms and shoulders, and she said like, you're under the stress. I said, no, I'm not under the stress, not a little bit, thank you very much. So I left, and the next one came. How do you want to go to the restaurant? And I say, no man, I'm not searching the restaurant, because the prices here are very high, and prices over there, just a couple of 100 meters away, it's totally less expensive. And he said, but I have everything, with that tone, you know, yo tengo todo. That means he offers everything, you know, drugs, cocaine, prostitutes, everything you need, because a lot of people are coming here for those kind of stuff. But I'm not one of those, you know, I'm not one of those, and I don't give a shit about those things. I don't need nothing to feel like I'm feeling right now. I feel good, you know, enjoying the sun, enjoying the sea, enjoying the beautiful weather and environment, the coconut palms and everything. I don't need simulations for that.